What kind of PC do you need to do freelancing? The type of PC you need for freelancing can depend on the type of work you do. However, here are some general recommendations. A reliable and fast computer. Since freelancing often involves working on your own computer, it is important to have a reliable and fast computer with enough processing power and memory to handle the tasks you need to perform. High-speed internet connection. You will need a high-speed internet connection for online meetings, uploading and downloading files, and other tasks that require a reliable and fast connection. The right software. Depending on the type of work you do, you may need specific software to complete your tasks. For example, if you're a graphic designer, you may need software like Adobe Photoshop or Illustrator, while a writer may need a word processing program like Microsoft Word. Good security software. As a freelancer, you may be handling sensitive information like client data, so it's important to have good security software to protect your computer from viruses and malware. Overall, it's important to have a reliable and fast computer with the right software and a high-speed internet connection to be able to do freelancing work effectively.